Pink Dimas Gold Shop. 21 karat bangles.
It's very heavy.
It's solid talaga. Solid.
Madam na madam.
Very heavy, solid.
It's very heavy.
For rich, ha?
Rich for rich. For rich, madam. Wow, mashallah, mashallah.
Pero sa akin talaga.
Okay. Shala, shala. Bangles. Oh, may deroskas pa.
Yeah, all there is left. Tani, اللي بعده.
Okay, another one. Na-try ko na lahat ng mga golds nyo.
بس ما كثير هذه بنا. كم هن؟
Maganda?
استنين هذا؟
Shala, shala.
أنا حبست الحين. هذا أفضل هون.
My audience. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pili ni madam. Again. No, it's okay. Yes, I want all here in my hand. Okay?
Okay.
Ala. This is Shani Maria Vlogs and welcome to Pink Dimas Gold.
Yeah, the big one, yeah.
You're happy? I bring customer?
Yeah, Suki, of course.
Can you smile? Wait lang, because I will take video. This one is so nice, ate.
هذا اسمه سالم.
Okay. Nagsala, kaya...
سالم. Here. Good also, salesman.
Salesman?
Yeah, Salim, very good also.
But then, okay?
Follow Shani Marie